This project's all about revitalizing your dated blinds that might have gotten sun damage or you don't like the color anymore. It's great for both vinyl or wood blinds as long as you can take them out and put them back in. And it's a really easy project that anybody can do. Over time, these vinyl blinds will get really aged and yellowed. You can see on one side, this side was inside and this side was outside, and it makes a huge difference. And it's also really dirty. So you want to clean that up before you start painting. All you do is you just take the strings out of the little notches and slide them out. Once you've removed all of the slats, give them a quick wash. You can, just use soap and water, especially on the vinyl ones. They clean up real easy. Let them dry. You can just lay them out in the sun and they'll dry in no time. Then you can lay them out on a drop cloth or plastic sheeting, anything you've got, and give them a coat of spray paint. Sometimes it takes more than one coat depending on whether you're changing the color or they're really sun damaged, but usually just one coat, front and back. So as long as you keep a thin coat of paint and keep it nice and even, it won't take very long for it to dry, and then you can just flip them over and do the other side. Then when you're finished, when they're all dry, you can just string them back up the same way you took them out. Just put the strings back into the notches and you're ready to go. With this quick and easy project, we'll give new life to your blinds and make your room look so much bigger and brighter. I'm Vanetta from The Handyman's Daughter, and stay tuned for more videos like this one.